why I started this channel and why AI matters for project managers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a project manager trying to make sense of all this AI buzz and you are wondering if AI will replace you or how can you benefit from AI, you are in the right place. Let me tell you quickly my story. I have been in the project management world for over 25 years now, and I have seen starting from waterfall to agile-ish, and we swear it's agile, but it's not. Then AI arrived, and I realized this is not just another new technology. This is going to change how we all work. So I enrolled in a postgraduate diploma program of AI/ML, and once I got into the program, something clicked. Data quality drives model performance, accuracy, precision, predictions. Everything depends on data you feed your systems. And so data was the center of all these developments. This was amazing. But when I came back to my project management function, I really didn't see how the two worlds met. A funny moment was when I looked at my Gantt chart, I was not sure how on earth these two worlds connect. At first, they didn't. I built some small hobby projects, played with models, and had my fun, but nothing felt like truly applied to the project management function. And then came GenAI, and GenAI flipped the entire game. Suddenly, I saw PMs automating tasks, teams boosting productivity, people rewriting the way they work overnight. And I realized this is where AI meets project management. That's when I began building what I call my project management AI automation blueprint, a practical way for project managers to use AI daily. If you want to dive deeper, grab my book, A Project Manager's Daily AI Handbook. I will leave the links below. Coming back to what we were discussing, a question emerges. If project managers want to manage AI projects, does our existing traditional project management methodologies work? Answer is no, because traditional projects are fundamentally different from AI projects. I created a detailed video on this. You can go and watch that video for a deep dive into what are the real differences between an AI project and an traditional IT project. To answer that question, I started studying every available project management framework like PMI, CPMI, CRISP-DM approaches, hybrid methods, and adapting them for real project management. And that's exactly why I started this channel, to help project managers like you use AI to improve productivity, understand AI workflows, learn how to manage AI/ML projects, and confidently step into the project management of the future. I call it the project management of AI PMOAI model. A quick disclaimer, I am not claiming I am an AI guru, neither I am claiming to be the next Andrew Ng, but I do have 25 plus years of project management experience, a solid foundation in AI/ML, and a genuine passion to help project managers navigate this new world. I am here to learn, experiment, and share so we can grow together. So if you are someone who want to stay relevant, boost productivity, learn AI skills, or lead AI projects with confidence, hit the like and subscribe button and join this growing community of project managers preparing for the next wave. Because AI won't replace project managers, but project managers who use AI will replace those who don't. Let's master AI bite by bite. See you in the next video. Until then, stay AI savvy, stay ahead.